Susan Jane Rome, master coach and mindset mentor to women who are smart, successful, and tend to take 2 steps forward and 1 step back and are ready to root out those blocks. If you've been offended by the constant high vibe stress, you want to hear this. Coaching is about the human being in its complexities, in its nuances, shades, different aspects of self, the conscious mind, the psyche, the subconscious, all of that, right? I do not understand. It makes 0 sense to me. All these groups that are set up that say high vibe only, because those same people will be the first to say, what you resist persists. Everything's energy. Pretending to be in a high vibration doesn't fool anyone. Not the universe, not the law of attraction, not yourself, and not anyone else. It is so much better to just deal with whatever is pulling you down and process it. But only being in high vibration, enlightened beings, maybe, of which they're an infinitesimally small number. You need to be where you can be who you are, where you are, when you are. You can't talk authenticity, vulnerability, transparency, and then say only high vibration. It's like saying I'm jumping but I'm in a hole. Like, you can't be both. Get what I'm saying? I want you to go through the groups that you're in and the ones that you feel not okay going into, and being where you're at, leave. Leave. The universe doesn't respond to what we're saying, what we're faking, I'm so in high vibration, I'm positive all the time. The universe responds to who you're being. So if that is touted so that they can manifest, leave. Be where you can be a whole, complex, gorgeous, Elizabeth Gilbert said, your messy self. We're messy. We're people. We can pretend we have it all together, but we all have whatever it is. Sometimes a bit of spinach in our teeth, sometimes a sloppy desk, who knows what emotionally I'm talking about. Free yourself. Leave those groups. Go where you're welcome, as you are, just like you want to be loved. You want to be loved for who you are, as you are. Conditional love sucks. It's the time of new consciousness. Come back and let me know, how many groups did you leave? I left a whole lot a while ago.